Hello and welcome to today's episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Telangana's SC Categorization Act. Let's first understand why this is in the news. Telangana became the first state in India to operationalize the classification of scheduled castes or SCs following Supreme Court's order which upheld the constitutionality of subclassifying scheduled castes and scheduled tribes for separate quotas. Subcategorization, popularly known as the reservation within reservation, refers to the division or classification of a larger category into smaller, more specific subcategories based on certain criteria or characteristics. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 7th May at 8 am and the Hindi medium batch will start on 29th April at 6 pm. For more details, contact 87501 87501. Subcategorization of SC. Telangana government has implemented the Telangana Scheduled Castes Rationalization of Reservations Act 2025, which categorizes scheduled castes into three groups of reservations. Group 1, 15 subcastes classified as most backward are given 1% reservation. Group 2, 18 subcastes with marginal benefits are given 9% reservation. And Group 3, 26 relatively better placed subcastes are given 5% reservation. Supreme Court's verdict on subclassifications of SCs and STs. 7 judges bench upheld the subclassifications among the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes so that the benefits of reservation can reach to the weaker of the weakest sections of the society. The court ruled that states can subclassify SCs within the 15% reservation quota to provide better support for the most disadvantaged groups. The court noted that subclassification should be based on empirical data and historical evidence of systemic discrimination rather than arbitrary or political reasons. It was clarified that 100% reservation for any subclass is not permissible. State decisions on subclassification are subject to judicial review to prevent political misuse. The court acknowledged that systemic discrimination prevents some members of SCs and STs from advancing and therefore subclassification under Article 14 of the Constitution can help address these disparities. Now is the time for today's practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the subclassification of SCs and STs in India. 1. Subclassification must rely on empirical data and historical evidence. 2. 100% reservation for any subcaste within SCs or STs is allowed. 3. Subclassification decisions are subject to judicial scrutiny. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. And D. All of the above. Send us your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.